What's up YouTube, I'm Vaughn and this is the Gear channel where we discuss collectibles, hobbies, competitive games from tabletop to video games. And today we have a very special episode because we are celebrating our 1 year anniversary. That's right, it has been a full year since we did this first video. Now I recommend to definitely watch this video if you guys want to see how all this started. And you would definitely notice a big difference in quality, but not just that, definitely if you start from the beginning, the key thing that you're going to notice is definitely behind me. This wall is just keeps on getting filler and there's just more stuff getting added to it, and my collection is just getting bigger and bigger. So definitely check that out. But I do want to give a special thanks to all of you that subscribe, because now we're over 300 subscribers. So to show my appreciation, what we're going to be doing in this video is be doing a few Q&As. So all of you guys that have any questions, comment it in the video, because when we hit 400 subscribers, we're going to do another video that's going to answer each of your questions. So we're going to do shout outs as well, but we're going to be answering all of your questions at the same time. So definitely subscribe if you guys are not subscribed. And honestly, I am super excited for how this channel is heading and how it's working out. It's honestly, I'm just enjoying it so much, and I just can't wait to hit 1,000 subscribers, because we just have so much that's going to be going on. Already we started to receive messages for sponsors for new products to review on this channel, but we're talking about like actual collectibles. We're not going to be reviewing like a Gillette blade or grooming kits and stuff like that. No, we mean actual like real figures and collectibles that's going to be reviewed on this channel, that is going to be sponsored. So I'm super excited for that. And also, as soon as we hit 1,000 subscribers, we're going to be doing a lot more video, because my idea, what I want to do is at least 14 videos per week. So if we hit 1,000 subscribers, that is actually very doable, and we could definitely do that now. And the reason why we're doing this is so every single playlist could get at least 2 videos per week. Because I know a lot of people on my channel, they like different things, and not all of you like the same thing. So this is a way for everyone to at least get 2 videos per week, so you could definitely enjoy the channel a lot more. But who knows, maybe the other videos will actually intrigue you and you might start a new hobby as well. That would be pretty awesome. And that's it for our video. Now, if you guys enjoyed it, you know what to do. Like and subscribe. And if you guys want a sneak peek of future products we're planning to review on this channel, you can follow me on my Instagram, VaughnGear. I'm Vaughn, and this is the Gear channel.